Welcome everybody to another episode of the Unbox Minute. So today we're going to be looking at a 12-inch subwoofer from manufacturer XTZ. So this is the 1217 Edge. It's a 12-inch subwoofer available in 3 colors: matte white, matte black, and gloss black. This model is the gloss black, which you will get to see once we open it up. As for the box, you've seen the front. It just has the picture of the subwoofer and the text. On the side, it has the XTZ branding, and it also has this convenient plastic hook for holding in transit. So let's open up the box and take a look at what's inside.
Now that we have the box open, the only thing that's above the styrofoam packaging are these small spacer connectors for connecting the front grille to the main speaker unit. There are 4 of them. Additionally, there is also a tiny winch for any kind of toolless tightening that might be required.
With the styrofoam removed now, you can see the main subwoofer inside a cloth bag, and kept separately is the front baffle, which can be removed. So that is the front baffle, which is wrapped in a cloth cover. Let's remove the cloth cover. And you could see the front grille with the XTZ branding at the bottom. The advised way to open up the subwoofer is, of course, to open the lower side of the box and lift the box up, so we will do that. These are kept on the edges to keep it safe during transit. Some silica gel to keep it dry during transit. Okay, so let's look at the included kit. So there is a pair of white gloves. These can be used for handling the subwoofer. Keep in mind that this is a gloss black subwoofer, so these white gloves would be useful to not get fingerprints on the subwoofer. And then there is this manual which talks about the Edge subwoofer. There's information on the positioning, the PEQ settings, etc. Now there is a box with the power cable. So it's a standard power connector with 3-pin Euro socket. As you can see, it's a shiny black subwoofer. Now this is the gloss black model, so it is super shiny and it's piano black. It looks beautiful and super glossy. Of course, it would attract fingerprints, which is why I'm not touching it too much. On the rear of the subwoofer, you can see the control knobs. We will go into the controls and all the features, etc. in more detail in our deep dive video. So if you aren't subscribed, do hit subscribe. As for the front, you could see the ports at the bottom. There are 2 ports at the bottom, which can be plugged or unplugged if you want to have them in ported or sealed mode. And you have the main 12-inch driver with the XTZ branding on it. Hope you're enjoying our content. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends, and we will see you in the next one.